9 in a row and nobody can go. Travis Scott was not going very fast. He's in the middle of 3 and 4 right now as the leaders come down the backstretch. A little bit of a gap forming between 5th and 6th right now.
You know, think Suarez is pulling off of him to try to catch that draft from David Gillen and push up there and make a run here late in the going. Maybe a spotter's telling them how they need to go about it.
If they make it to the white flag under green, the next flag will end the race. Here they come. White flag. This is it.
There goes the 20. He laid back.
Here comes Suarez. He pulled to the outside. He got a little bit of momentum. Pulled to the outside of Ray Black Jr. Nobody went with him. That's surprising.
Yeah, that was a great move. I love what he did. He gave it a shot.
No
help pay off, but he got zero help.
Draft side by side for 8. 2 Fords up front. Austin Terrio trying to be the first Daytona winner in his first start since Robert Presley in 2002.
Jones, Legacy, can they make a run here off turn 4? They gapped it back a little bit. Jones pull up on Legacy, make a run or no?
Terrio laid off a little bit here, trying to get a little momentum as they exit 4. 3 wide in the back. The battle is for the win. Here they fan out, and out in front of everyone is the number 19.